The Shiba Inu ecosystem is currently in a dicey position right now. There have been movements that are not very encouraging to the Shiba Inu community, and many holders are worried. Is this the end of the Shiba Inu project, or is salvation coming anytime soon? Well, keep watching this video to find out. Disclaimer: 2023 started on a positive note for the crypto market, and considering that 2022 was basically terrible, the positive change in pace was more than welcome. Prices started pumping, trading activities started increasing, and market caps started expanding. The Shiba Inu community was excited about this too, because she was starting to really do well, and many sheep holders were smiling to the bank with their profits. Unfortunately, in the past couple of days there has been a reversal of the progress made at the beginning of the year, and the altcoin market, of which Shiba is a part, has been the worst hit. Daily trading volume has dropped dangerously, which could either be because people are losing interest in old coins, or because people are just deciding to hold on to the ones they have and wait for prices to hike instead of buying more. However, analysts have another idea why this drop has happened. Apparently, many investors in old coins have pulled out their profits from the market, leading to a drop in trading volume. Now, this must be differentiated from withdrawing their investments. If the investors had withdrawn their investment, it would have indicated that they are no longer interested in whatever project that they were invested in. But making profit is the reason that they invested in the first place. Nobody can fault them for that. However, there's no denying the fact that withdrawing their profit has dealt a huge blow to the altcoin market specifically. And Dogecoin, Shiba Inu's rival token, was the worst hit in all of this. Doge's trading volume has dropped from about $1.5 billion in March and April to below $0.5 billion this month. Interestingly, though, Shib hasn't been performing as badly as most of the other altcoins. Now, I'm not saying that Shib is performing as well as it was at the beginning of this year. There have definitely been drops, as you are well aware of. She picked up a zero a couple of weeks back and hasn't been able to shake it off since. But its daily trading volume hasn't dropped as badly as that of other altcoins at the very least. Shib's trading volume is still about $0.5 billion, not below. So there's that. That said, in the wake of the whole fiasco, some analysts have been warning people off certain altcoins altogether, particularly Benjamin Cohen, the CEO of the Into the Cryptoverse, wrote this on Twitter daily. Reminder that these meme coins that are flooding the market exist to make the founders rich. The strong community narrative is garbage. Most of these memes are created by the same group, just pumping and dumping until it no longer is profitable. What do you think? Is this a warning worth considering? And does this spell the end for Shiba Inu and other old coins? Please share your thoughts with us in the comments section below. Moving on from that, we have some updates on the Shiba Inu cold wallet. First off, Tangam, a Switzerland-based blockchain company, just posted on its Twitter page informing its followers that it is now in collaboration with Shiba Inu. They announced that they'll soon launch a limited edition of Tangam wallets, and while there is no launch date yet, they mentioned that the launch will happen soon. So stick to that page and this YouTube page so that you know when the launch happens. Lucy, the very popular Shiba Inu influencer, gave us more details on this new partnership. You Today writes that per the details shared by Lucy, users will be able to store and manage their digital assets, including Shib, anywhere in the world, as the new wallet will support over 6,000 currencies. Users will also be able to gain access to decentralized finance, non-fungible tokens, decentralized exchanges, and so on. What else do we know about this cold wallet? Well, first off, it is supposedly going to be the size of a credit card. What this means is that you'll be able to carry it with you anywhere and everywhere, and you don't need a PC or laptop to work with. All you need is your cold wallet card and your smartphone. Now, it's possible that because the wallet is so small, it could easily get lost. But you'll figure it out. The timing of these updates couldn't have been more perfect, since the Shiba Inu team had committed to providing an update on the Shiba Inu cold wallet by the week's end. Moreover, a collaborative Ask Me Anything session was conducted with a leading cryptocurrency exchange. It will be during which prominent Shib community members extensively discussed the direction and ecosystem of the Shiba Inu. Of course, there are still many things that we don't know about the Shiba Inu cold wallet. But before we get into that, this channel has a daily giveaway of 100,000 Shib for a chance to participate in the giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. #Shiba Inu. Good luck. We know that the cold wallet will support 6,000 cryptocurrencies, which pretty much covers most of the cryptocurrencies in the market. But there are some projects, additional tokens that might not make the cut. But the biggest thing that we don't know is when exactly the wallets will be launched. The dev team has promised to share these updates with us in the coming weeks, so make sure to stick around. If you found this really valuable, please drop a comment and share this video with friends. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, thus helping me to keep increasing the quality of the videos very quickly. I should mention that Bone has continued to get more listings. The most recent listing happened with Tarmax, a US-based crypto trading platform. Like a number of exchange platforms before it, Tarmax conducted a poll on its Twitter page asking its followers what crypto it should list. Bone won and the exchange made good on its promise. As we get closer to the launch of Shiba Inu, we can expect to see more of these listings happening. One more thing before we call it a day here. How much Shiba investment do you need to become a millionaire? Well, let's find out. We've already talked about how Shib's price has dropped low enough that it has picked up a zero. However, while some have considered this a worrisome turn of events, which it certainly is, others, mostly big whales, have been seeing it as an opportunity to increase their Shib portfolio. At the current Shib price, you can purchase about 1 million Shib tokens with just $9. This is an opportunity that you might not come by at any other time. Now, if we decide to expand things, you should be able to get about 10 million tokens for just $90 and about 100 million tokens for just $900. If you are thinking of hitting it big when Shib hits 10 cents, 100 million tokens or more is what you should be aiming for. If you invest $900 in Shib now acquiring about 100 million Shib tokens, your investment would hit $1 million when Shib hits $0.1. That's an interesting capital to profit ratio. That is not possible with many other investments. This is probably why many have been using this period of Shib price drop as an opportunity to increase their Shib holdings. This way, when the price pump happens, they would get more in profits. That said, you want to pay attention to something that the Crypto Basic mentioned. They wrote that there is no guarantee that the Shiba Inu token will eventually hit the 10 cents mark in the next bull run or the next decade. However, the team behind the token is working tirelessly to set Shiba Inu on the path of achieving this tremendous feat. There is Shiba Inu, which is supposed to be the biggest factor in pushing Shib to the desired price. And there are also other projects in the works, including the game, the metaverse, the fashion line, and more recently the cold wallet. So there are a number of factors that could help Shib hit the 10 cents dream. But what we can tell right now is whether these factors are enough to help Shib achieve that dream, and really only time will tell. That said, I have to remind everyone that nothing that I've said in this video is financial advice. That is not what this channel is about. So make sure to do your own research before making any kind of financial decision. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comments section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.